good morning, all our viewers around the world, wherever you're watching us from. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Wherever you're watching us from, America, Asia, Africa, Europe, wherever you're watching from, we say we love you this morning. My name is Innocent Sunday Victor. I'm a worker in God Sent Foundation. Yes, we don't come again this morning, no. We don't come again with a very good news again. We don't come again. Now, this one, our own boss, Dr. Kado, in building, when in day 23 years old. Now, 4 flats. Now, the front of the gate now we just dey so. Very big house. It's just 200 by 200. Sorry, 100 by 200, 100 by 2. Yes, very big place. 4 flats. Very cheap. This house, e build am when dey 23 years old. To tell you say e don tey where our boss don dey hustle. E no easy to dey hustle. Since 23 years old man, guy, build this kind of house. So now, the house now, e no really dey in use again. Oga get many property. So this house now, dem first dey use am before, but based on don look am say, man, e no really dey use am again. He say he wan just sell am out for the lucky person wey go buy this house. If I tell you things wey dey for this house, e go shock you. Okay, well, first of all, where the house dey located at? The house dey located at Idowina. Any how I take pronounce am, I no vex, I no be Benin boy o, but any how I take pronounce am, abeg. Na for Ugbowo, Idowina. 5 minutes drive to the road. If you wan go Lagos, if you just perfectly the money, just stand for road. As you stand for road, you go just see Lagos bus or any motor dey go Lagos, go carry you. Abi na east you wan go, abi na out you wan go. Roads dey very link up. Yeah, make we go inside. Make no be like say we dey exaggerate. Make we go inside. As you dey see here, so you see the land, very big, very big. As you can see, the land is very spacious. This is a security house. This one is security house. Imagine security house. We say security house big. This is security house. It also has its own toilet. That's the security house. You see the compound is very big. The compound is too big. The compound also have a swimming pool. Yes, the compound also have a swimming pool. 4 flats. Follow me, bro. 4 flats. This is the swimming pool. This is the swimming pool. It's almost done. Just little project, and you're done with it. I know say our oga like concept get packaging well. All in team, they always dey package am. Nobody that swimming pool even that. I never start to show you the main building, no. I thought they show you small. You understand? Make I show another thing again. Fish pond. That year, my dad they do fish pond. That year, my dad they do fish pond. You tell say don't tell where oga don start to dey invest. You know easy, don't tell. If you see your farm here, the place is big. You can see your farm here. As you can see, there are already some things on the land. As you can see this place now. Yeah, this is the fish pond. You know, this is the fish pond. Okay, come this side. Yeah, as you can see, this is the fish pond. Yeah, that's the fish pond. Very nice. Okay, look at the building. Look at the building. Very beautiful. And do you know how many years ago this house was built? Very beautiful building. Very beautiful. Yeah, just show them. Very beautiful building. This just the side. These are 2 flats here. There's another 2 flats here. Joined together 4 flats. There's also a space upstairs. Your balcony upstairs. Come. To tell you say, John Osage, Dr. Kado, you know easy. Don't where they hustle. So if you dey jealous am, now you know, because the time when you start to the hustle self, some people see they sleep. See how small person build when he dey 23 years old. You know easy o. You know easy. So this is the entrance of the house. This is the entrance of the house. This is the entrance of the house. As you can see, very long, very big, very big. 1 by 2. Very big, 1 by 2. Just like we don't have access to go upstairs. I would have taken you inside. The inside the house is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's very cheap. This place is very cheap. Very cheap. Just for 35 million naira. Now, you can't even see any land in this environment. There's no land in this environment at all. Don't worry. When I'm done with this video, I will still drive you down to the road. It's just 5 minutes drive. You'll see that there's no land in this area. Even if you want to even see land, the cheapest land in this area, 100 by 100, is 5 million naira. It will shock you. Some people sell more than 5 million naira, but the least you will see is 5 million naira. Only this land alone is worth 15 million naira. We're not talking about the building. We're not talking about the building. To tell you, man, it's just, I want to just dash this house. You can do anything here. If you want to have your hotel, fine. You can have your hotel here. If you want to have your program, you can. This place can use for so many things to generate money. It will shock you. You will generate a lot of money. You will generate a lot of money. So this place is going for just 35 million naira. Okay, I don't say for Benin, no, they run them like this. For Lagos, start them down for Lagos. 2 person if you come rent this place. 2 person if you come rent this place. If you rent the other 2 flats, the other person rent the other flat, they do their own thing. That's how they do it in Lagos. We're also trying to bring that initiative here too in Benin. Do you understand? We're also trying to bring that initiative too in Benin, that that 1 person or 2 persons can rent 1 apartment and do business. You go to Onitsha, it's happening. You go to Onitsha, just 35 million naira. If you're 2 persons and you want to collaborate, very simple. You understand? So the place is so beautiful. The place is so nice. As you can see, a lot of buildings around. Everywhere is so beautiful. Everywhere is so beautiful. So, if you're interested in this property, very simple. Just call my oga. I haven't pinned the number for the video. Just call my oga. My oga number now 070 51 93 8417. In case you no hear the number, make I call am again. The number now 070 51 93 8417. Sometimes to network fit dey worry you no come fit reach am. If you still reach me, my number now 080 38 60 8123. In case you no get am, make I call am again for you. My number now 080 30 80 123. Bless I make mistake for that number. Okay, ma call am again. 080 38 60 8123. That's just the number. Never today familiar with them, but that number I just give you so. In case you know if you reach my boss, Dr. Kado, if you reach me on 080 38 60 8123. I pin am for the video. So now don't see the house. So if you're interested, if you call any of us, if you call my chairman, my boss, or you call me. And again, I want Karuna, make I drive una small, make una see how the environment be. You know, come be like say we just dey talk, we just dey exaggerate. That's just 5 minutes drive. You know, even reach 5 minutes drive, and the road dey very nice. So I just want Karuna drive, reach the tar road, so that I go see how the environment be. Yes, more will go. Yes, we are driving on the road now. As you can see, this is the outside. Show them, let them see the outside. Yeah, this is the outside of the house. Number 30. Everything is complete. C of O, everything, whatever you want. Look at it here. In case of anything, you won't call police. Man, my chairman too much, oh. In case you won't call police, number they there. Man, my chairman too package. I beg. Twirly for my chairman. So I'm driving you people so that you see how the environment looks like. There's no land in this area at all. There's no land at all. There's light. 247 light day. Okay, show them light day. Light the day steady enough for this area. Let them try. We don't see that 247. We don't see that Nigeria with day. Let me go put you on side. Say 247. But light day. That's the most important thing. See the area. There's no land available anymore. See the building. There's no land available here at all. It's just a very straight road. You curve out your right, straight down. Straight down. You see? You see? You know? Very beautiful environment. Very beautiful environment. See, whenever I want to buy something, you can just come and buy anything you want to buy. There are shops around. Look at this beautiful house. Show them this house. It's so beautiful. It's so nice. Yeah. In case you don't get motor, Keke dey go still carry you. Keke is walking on this road 247. Keke dey walk. The environment is beautiful. Look at market. You want to buy clothes. You don't need to say you want to go far. There are things here to buy. You know, the environment is so beautiful. You want to make your hair. You know, if you want to make your style, you don't need to go far. You want to make your hair. Your wife to make hair. You know, it's a very sweet environment. You know, your POS, everything is just there in the community. You know, very beautiful place to be. You know, people are here. You know, the place is beautiful. The place is beautiful. Okay, if you're facing to me, in case you're just joining us, we just showed you the property that our boss, Dr. Kado, has to sell. Very cheap property, a 4 flats for 35 million naira. He built that house when he was 23 years old. So you don't tell where our chairman on the hustle. Chairman, actually for you, I tap from your grace, chairman. So you don't tell where on the hustle. Very cheap land, very cheap house. You can do anything you want to do there. Everything is covered. C of O, direct to our boss. Straight up. Okay, show them. Let them see the environment. See the road network. Show them the road. Yeah. You see the road network? Very nice. The road network is so beautiful. Yeah, the road network is so beautiful. You don't have to stress yourself and say, man, that road no good. Because there's some places you go to buy property and the road is so bad. The road is so bad. You know? But here we are. Look at, we have a good road. Quite direct. We're close to the main road now. We're close to the main road. As you can see, we're close to the main road. That road is Ukporo Road, links to Lagos. You can go in from here to Lagos. If you want to go to Ekpoma, if you want to go to the east. It's to the east, you can still pass through this place. You know, it's a very nice environment to be. Yes. It's a very nice environment to be. I love this environment. Calm. Calm, no noise. No noise, everywhere is calm. Everybody mind your business, you know. Now Benin is getting to be like Lagos. Before you see a land to buy, it's very, 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 very hard. You know, everywhere is just beautiful. Everybody are living fine, living calmly. So beautiful. So beautiful. Okay. Now we also have a boutique here. This is a boutique. You want to buy your clothes? You can just stop over. You know, you're just driving gradually so you see the environment properly. So you see the environment properly. Wow, so beautiful. Look at this upstairs. So beautiful. So beautiful. Yeah, we're close to the road now. Yes, we are close to the road. We are close to the road. Yeah, you can see beautiful shops. Show them the shop. You see beautiful shop. You can see beautiful shop. Where beautiful shop. Whatever you want to do, you know. Yeah, so beautiful environment. I love this environment. I wish I get money. I could just buy this land, this property. I will not buy it, buy it now, buy the house, everything. Wow, I love this environment. Look at shops around. Look at shops around. I love this environment. I love this environment. Okay, yeah, we're on the road now. I want to show you something. We're on the road now. Yes, we're on the road now. We're on the road now. As you can see, this is just football road. You see the road is start. Just for you to stroll down. It's up to 5 minutes drive. You get there. Wherever you're watching from, please share this video. God bless you. If you want to contact my boss, my number is there. If you can't contact my boss, my number is there. You can also contact me. Thank you so much. I just want to thank Dr. Kaji for this opportunity that he has given to me on this platform. And I promise not to take this for granted. Thank you so much, boss. I love you, everyone. I love you guys. God bless you. God bless you. Please join us by 1 o'clock at our school. God bless you.